how to add music or a song to your Instagram profile. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a profile song to your profile on Instagram. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to do this. All we need to do is first open up the Instagram app, then navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, select Edit Profile, and then all we're looking for is music. Select Add Music to your profile. Find the song that you want to add to your profile. Once you find it, simply select it. It'll give you a quick sample of it, and then all you need to do is select the arrow right there, and then you can choose the portion of the song that you want. The little red dots are portions that other people have chosen or that are popular. So move this little area over the portion of the song that you want to be on your profile and then select Done. Once you select Done, it'll save it. And now when I go back, you can see that there is a song on my profile and people can tap it and people will be able to hear that song when they go to my Instagram profile. If this video helps you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.